this app, the Daikin air conditioning monitor. Okay, so we have our adapter connected to the board. You got different adapters depending on the unit you're working. You're gonna have different plugs. So you go in settings. You're gonna look for the Bluetooth connection, and it's gonna be called BTSC. So it's pairing right now. 31 there. It only asks for that code if you connecting for the first time. Loud. Now you press record only, and you can see this little chain icon. Click that. Okay, now we're gonna select the model, which is this one here. We're gonna proceed. Now we have our ratings right now. Couple important stuff is if you go to a unit that's having problems, protection mode right now is off, and it gives you the error codes on top. It has no error codes, so there's no way to control the unit through this. It's only for monitoring the unit. So a couple things is indoor pressure is coming off the transducer. You don't get scared with this number, 8.6. It doesn't mean it's 8.6 psi. It's just a different scale of pressure. So all you have to do is multiply 8.6 times 14.69, and it will give you the pressure, the correct pressure. With the CFMs is you get this number multiplied by 10, and that's it. No error codes right now. This is the stepper motor. It's 344 steps. Here you got the sensors, and then if you want to record this data, I think you have to, let's see. Start recording. So if you press this, it will start recording process, and you can save it on the file for this customer and put it on your app or whatever. So alright, so that's about it. And then after you're done, just close the app, disconnect the adapter, and you're good to go. On to the next one. Bye.